Right, okay. We're at a different location, guys. We're in the west of London right now. Because, I don't want the volume too loud. We've got a British Airways Boeing 747 two man's in formation there. Arriving in from Doha. Now, this is the one we saw last night. She's coming in to land. Oh my god, it's busy here, isn't it? The traffic cars going up and down. This is absolutely incredible. I bet there's some more back down there as well. Oh no, I don't think we're going to see her. Are we going to see her? Oh, hang on, is that her in the distance, maybe? That might be her, innit? I don't know, I can't really see. Of course, I'm not going to be up to date at the moment. Okay, is that her there? That is her, isn't it? I might be wrong, I can't really see. There's just cars at the moment. This is Hounslow, no, not, oh, it is probably Hounslow, isn't it? Yeah, just outside of Heathrow. This is in Hounslow, yes it is. Oh my god, two cars in formation, what is going on, man? Oh no, I can't really see, guys. I can't really see. Where is he? Where is she? Let me just check my map. Okay. She's on finals, okay, no problem. Oh no, I don't think she's going to be over the houses, is she? I think she's just going to... Oh no, there she is. Stop. Oh, there she is. Oh no, she's going to go... Wow. That was cool, isn't it? See that coming in. Okay, 787-10 BA landing from Muscat in 3 minutes, no problem.
Slightly crabbing.